Morning everyone. Today we're running against the clock. It's supposed to rain early this afternoon sometime, and we have a whole bunch of yards to get thatched up and cut. So let's get everything loaded up and let's get started. As we're going through these yards again today, there's been a lot of questions of why I'm not thatching and bagging at the same time, with the same mower. Number one answer is that Skag cannot take it. It can barely take what I put it through. I've already gone through a dry belt this year. I go through 3 dry belts a year because the mower just cannot take what I put it through. So that is probably my fault because I bought the wrong mower. So it's just not big enough or strong enough or whatever. I just gotta make it through until we get a next one with that. And the other thing is it's faster with Vicky and myself doing it, because I had a thatcher and a bagging system all in one before, and it just wasn't efficient because Vicky would be standing around waiting for me to get done, and as soon as I was done she'd blow everything off, and then we go talk to the customer, or collect the money. When I put 2 mowers on, 1 bag and 1 thatching, we pick it up quite a bit of time per yard. There's a lot of other things, but that's the 2 things that stick out in my mind. So we're gonna head on and start thatching these yards. Okay, we just finished 2 yards, one right next to each other, and I didn't want to take the time to chase the camera around here. Because what we did in these lawns is I went around and blowed all the flower beds out and everything, and Vicky was coming around behind me with the clamshell picking everything up. And as soon as I was done blowing everything off, I grabbed a thatcher, thatched the whole yard. And as Vicky was picking everything up, I went around with the weed whacker and did that, weed whacked the whole yard, and we jumped the next yard and we just did the same thing over again. But this the second one Vicky did the weed whacking on, but it all worked out pretty good and quick for us. So we're gonna go do 1 more right now, and possibly 2 if the neighbor comes over and asks us to do his yard too, which he usually does. So another yard done, and we have to go empty out our trailer now. Neighbor come across and wants us to thatch his yard. I figured that was gonna happen. So customer.
Yeah, he's been waiting for us.
Yeah, the customer we just left, I really like that customer. She paid for her thatching and the whole rest of the season for mowing. So I like customers like that. They insist on paying ahead. So some of them, or most customers, don't like to pay that far ahead. That one does, because she don't want to have to deal with bills all summer. So anyhow, we're gonna go empty out the trailer and we're gonna stop home for lunch, and then we're gonna come right back to this neighborhood, which is 2 minutes from our house. Best part about all our yards anymore, pretty much most of our yards are within 5 minutes from our house. Okay, this yard's all thatched up here in the front and all picked up. I'm trying to get this as fast as possible because it is raining. This yard has a lot of thatching every single year. Went wrong, thatched everything out, and just sucked everything all up. First year that we did this, the pool was like that pole. When I first went through there, the first year, I went up on the side there, and I ripped every single one of the thatch is getting just wet enough where she's having a hard time picking it up now. So this is probably going to be our last yard, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm done with this stuff.
I'm completely over it. I am so tired of getting snowed on and rained on. Where in the hell is the sunshine? Whoops, I wasn't supposed to say that.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, we're done. Oh my goodness, there's just no way. Oh yeah, it's cold out. It's 47 degrees out. Wind's blowing about 10-15 miles an hour, and it's raining. So yeah, we're done. So now we're gonna go back, empty out the trailer again, and call her a day, just because we're not gonna be able to do anything with this, and it's not gonna get any better. I don't know. It might change this afternoon, but I kind of doubt it.
I don't know. It says it's 48, but it feels like 45.
Yeah,
it's supposed to be done raining by 3, but I don't know.
Yeah, that's in 45 minutes.
Everything's all wet now.
So thatching and this stuff is not going to work, because that's all we have for today is thatching. We don't have any more big cleanups, I don't think. I think all we have left is thatching, which is a really good thing.
We do have one leaf area we can clean up.
But it's raining.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, actually there is 2 clamps that we're supposed to do tomorrow, but hopefully this does quit at 3, and we don't get any more rain, because it's not going to help us with these leaf cleanup. Just got done at our city yard. I was thinking about going back out or getting another yard, but this isn't going to happen. Temperature's dropping, wind's picking up, and it's raining harder, so we're done for the day. So we're not doing too bad for time-wise and the yards that we have to do, because we've got most of everything caught up, and we're actually probably about where we should be. Not really ahead, but we're not behind. So I think next few days here it's going to be pretty good, because we're going to have all of the cleanup stuff done before the major growth of grass hits, and that's what we got to make sure we stay ahead of.
So even though it's been cold, it's been an advantage for us because it slowed the grass down.
Tremendously slowed it down. Because usually right now this grass is growing an inch a day, and it's not growing hardly at all because it's so cold out. So yeah, it's cold. We don't like working in the cold, but it's also helping us out. So that is going to be the end of our video for today. Thank you for watching and subscribing. If you check out the links in the description box below, it would be greatly appreciated.
Have a good evening. See you at the next yard. Goodbye.